Express the confidence interval 801.4 plus or minus 108.4 in interval form. Well, this confidence interval, the way it's being expressed, we have our point estimate, which is 801.4. And it doesn't specify that that is a mean, but I'm just going to assume that it's the sample mean. All right, so this is my point estimate, x bar. This other value in the confidence interval is a margin of error. And that margin of error tells me how far I need to go from my mean in both directions to get the endpoints of my confidence interval. So if I take x bar and then I add the margin of error, which is 108.4, then that puts me at a point which is the end point of my, or the upper end point in particular, of my confidence interval. So 801.4 plus 108.4, that is 909.8. So that's one of the values that we need. The other value is if I subtract 108.4, that's going to give me a value that is less than 801.4. Which is 693. So these two make up my confidence interval, and that's the lower and upper bounds of it. There's different ways of expressing a confidence interval. What's being asked here is to put it in interval form, which is to write it, and it'll look kind of like a coordinate point, xy, but it's interpreted algebraically as all the values between 693 and 909.8, but not including those values.